Alright, just wanted to make a video here about this battery tester. I bought this battery tester off Amazon about 2 years ago. It's called TopDon 101. I really like it. It's simple, it's easy, it tests your battery, it also tests the alternator, and also tests the starter. It's really simple. There's no batteries, no nothing needs to be plugged in or anything like that. All you do is you just connect the two leads, the positive and negative, to your car battery, and that's how it gets the power to actually make this device work. So like I said, I just bought the car about a month ago, and the battery looks in pretty bad shape. It looks dirty, it looks nasty, there's corrosion on it. I know that I'm going to have to clean these terminals, but I just want to see what the battery, if it's going to be a decent battery for this winter or not, or do I need to go ahead and start looking for a new battery. But I've had no problems with it, like it always starts for me, that kind of thing. But I just want to test it and see what the health of the battery is. Do I need to buy a new battery this year? When you first turn it up, when you first attach it, it'll come up and say the battery's at 12.8 volts. We're going to hit OK. Next, it's going to ask what language you want to see. Obviously, we want English. Next, it asks, is the battery still connected to the vehicle? Like, is it in the vehicle or is it out of the vehicle? It's not out of the vehicle, it's still in the vehicle. The reason it asks that is because it's going to do some tests, and newer cars, you don't want it to backfeed like electricity back through the wiring harness. But anyways, so you just want to make sure you answer this correctly. It's not out of the vehicle, it's still currently in the vehicle. This is before we've charged the battery. It's a regular flooded battery, it's asking. It's asking how many cold cranking amps the battery has. This battery calls for, most batteries have a sticker on it, it's going to tell you what it is. This one says 500 cold cranking amps. So we're going to drop this down to 500. We're going to hit OK, and it's doing the test right now. It's going to let us know about this battery, whether it's a healthy battery. Oh my goodness. State of health of the battery, 10%. But the battery's at 98% charged. It comes back at cold cranking amps of 165 cold cranking amps. So I don't think this battery's going to work too well come wintertime. It definitely says to replace this battery. So I think I'm going to start looking around and check on battery prices and definitely replace this battery before wintertime. But we'll go ahead and do some other tests with this thing. We're going to go ahead and start the vehicle up. So it's called a cranking test. What it's doing is going to test the starter of the vehicle, make sure it's got enough power, make sure that the battery has enough power to start it correctly. So we'll go ahead and start the engine up. So now it's detected RPMs of the vehicle. Now it's automatically testing it. It came back at 10.4 volts. It's cranked normal, so the starter is good. Next, it's going to do an alternator test. So we'll do this. Well, they call it the charging test. Here in a second, it's going to ask us to rev the engine up. Alright, go ahead and rev the engine up to 2,500 RPMs. That's good. Alright, the alternator is charging normal. Loaded, it charges at 14.1. Non-loaded, it charges at 14.5 volts. The alternator is doing great for us. So, what I've learned here quickly is that even though the car starts just fine, everything seems completely normal. You can go ahead and turn the car off. Even though everything seems completely normal, and luckily I just thought by the looks of it, the battery doesn't look the prettiest, and glad I tested to realize how poor of health this battery is. So I would imagine any time in the next month or two it would probably leave me stranded. But like I said, I recommend this tester, and actually on Amazon right now, I saw last week the price dropped down to $22. I'll put the link in the description below. When I bought it, it was 39 bucks 2 years ago. But that's still their normal price is still 39 bucks. But like I said, I'll put the link in the description below. If you want to get one off Amazon, 22 bucks right now. You can't beat it. You can take it to your buddy's house, test their car, take it to your friend's, relative's house, whatever. Like I said, it works on boats, motorcycles, cars, whatever. Your tractor. But hey guys, thanks for watching and hope you like this video. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here, just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.